Welcome to Vlogtober day 25 we're on now. Can you believe it? It's gone so quick. I feel like it's gone ridiculously quick, but I'm starting this vlog off a little bit late. It's not the afternoon, it's still the morning, so I'm all good on that front. But yeah, I've just been watching some YouTube videos and things and just doing all that stuff. I need to do actually my Spanish lesson at some point, so I will do that in a little bit because, you know, I could do it now actually. I might do it now. And then it's like done for today. And then I can do it tomorrow. So yeah, just thought I'd start off this vlog off and get this off my camera. And yeah, I'm gonna practice my Spanish now. Wish me luck. I have been doing it a year, so we're all good. Clean all of my makeup brushes because I feel like they need a good clean. I haven't cleaned them in a while, so I thought why not just clean my makeup brushes today with my makeup brush cleanser. So I usually just use that. Oh, I need some tissues. Usually I would obviously like rinse them with like a bar of soap obviously or whatever, but just for today I'm just going to clean them like this because it's just a little bit easier. So I've got 3 pots of makeup brushes to go through. This is from Superdrug, in case you're wondering. It's actually really good. So I'm going to give all of these not a deep clean, just a little bit of a clean. I will do that at some point, but yeah, this pot, I'm not too sure where this pot's from actually. Pound stretcher maybe. I know this one I got for Christmas last year, and then this one I believe is one of my favourites actually. I think this is from Home Bargains, I want to say. So I'm gonna clean all these now. Wish me luck. I feel like it will take me a while, but I mean it shouldn't take me too long. I'm gonna listen to a little bit of music. I can't get my words out today. I do apologise, I can't get them out. Okay, I'm going to start with this and I'm going to do a little bit of a time lapse for you. So I'm going to do that in just a second, but I'll start off with this brush right here, which is a Studio London one. I have a mixture of like brushes, so I have Studio London, I have Real Techniques, just, you know, random ones. We'll give this a quick clean. It might not have too much makeup on this one, but I just want to give it a little bit of a clean. It has a little bit, I think, so there we go. So we've got that one. Let me just check them in focus because the other day I filmed something and I wasn't in focus. I am, okay, that's good. The lighting's probably off, but we'll deal with it. Okay, now moving on to the next one. Give this a quick clean as well. I feel like I need to throw this one out at some point because I don't really use it that much. I will keep it for now, I think, so that can go back in here, and then I'm going to do the rest of these ones. Okay, this one has a little bit of makeup on it because I did use it recently, so if I quick clean, there we go, that should be all good. Right, I'm going to do a time lapse now. So now they are all clean and I'm pretty much happy with all of these now, and yeah, they are all done. A couple of hours later now, I've just uploaded my brand new vlog. Am I zoomed in? Okay, I think I was slightly there. Okay, so as I was saying, I've just uploaded my brand new vlog. It is nearly 5 o'clock and I'm about to probably head downstairs now for a little bit, I feel like, and watch some, you know, TV, which I like to do in the evenings. And yeah, I don't know what I'm looking around my room for. I'm just like, I don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, I think I'm going to head downstairs, as I said. And yeah, my hair's a bit of I say a bit of a mess. I did wash it yesterday. I feel like it needs a little bit more of a brush, so I'm just gonna brush my hair quickly. This will be the worst angle. This is terrible. God, you can't even see my head. Okay, I'm gonna have to clear some things off my camera. Oh, this is the problem. I need more storage. It took me quite a while to clear off all that like clips or storage off my camera. I had to delete a whole bunch of footage, but we're all good now. This is the worst angle ever, but I've got nowhere to put you really. I've got nothing to balance you on. Maybe this. I don't know if this is going to be too high. Oh god, I'm nervous now because I don't know if you can see me or not. I don't want to break my camera because this was very expensive, so we don't want to be doing that. But I will now move you off there because I really don't want to drop this camera, but I was just balancing you on a Soap and Glory box that I now store in it my childhood like cars that I used to get from like Tesco's. So I've just kept them because I couldn't throw them away, so I used to love these. But there's loads of cool ones. I think this one's my favourite. It's just really cool if my camera will focus on that. I don't know if it will. If I put it here, it might. There you go. How cool is that? See, I've got a whole bunch of like different ones, and yeah, I decided to keep all of those. I'm just going to put those back right there. I've also got my bath salts now, which I showed in Vlogtober the other day, which was on Tuesday but Wednesday for you, so day 22. And I got this from ASOS, as you would have seen, but here's up close. So it's the Sunday Rain bath crystals. Haven't tried them yet, but I will give them a go at some point. I've got so many products here. I've got like Lush. I've been loving these two products, and then I've got like So Unique sprays and shower gels and like my new shampoo and conditioner that I've been loving. So I've got a whole bunch of stuff here. It is crazy. I've just got literally probably all of my favourite products at the moment. I feel like I just stored there because why not? Okay, I'm going to head downstairs and stop rambling at you, and yeah, okay, I'm gonna go. It's really cozy in here, as you'll have seen from that little montage. So I've got some little fake candles on behind me, a light and my Barbie light, and I'm watching A Life on Our Planet, which is a David Attenborough documentary. So I'm going to just chill for a little bit, so I thought I'd end off this vlog here. I feel like I haven't vlogged too much today, but I feel like tomorrow I might vlog just a little bit more. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed. Look at the light in here. That looks quite cool. So yeah, thank you so much for watching today's Vlogtober. As always, make sure to give the vlog a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will catch you in tomorrow's Vlogtober, which is, what day is it tomorrow? Vlogtober day 26. Like, where's the time gone? I feel like it's gone so quickly. But yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.